And there it is. Welcome back to Solo Sail Away. This is Coby coming back at you with a quick little tips for solo cruisers and first time solo cruisers. Now, let's get into it. So, for the first time solo cruisers and first time cruisers, you know, the ships are Virgin Voyages, Royal Caribbean, and Norwegian. These three ships, and it could be some others, specialize in solo cruising. And when I say specialize, I mean they have solo cabins. Now, all of their ships are not solo cabins. They do have some ships that doesn't have any solo cabins, but Norwegian, Virgin Voyager, and Royal Caribbean do have some ships that do specialize in solo cabins. And one of the things you may want to do is check out the pricing. Now, I'm going to keep it 100. Sometimes the cabins that is not a solo cabin can be more cheaper than the cabins that are solo cabins, and then vice versa. So do your research, check that out. Also, a lot of times when you are solo and you're on some of these ships that specialize in solo people, well, guess what? A lot of times they have meet and greet meetups and different things like that where you're actually meeting up with other solo people. And a lot of times that could be fun dealing with the different games and things they be having going on too as well. So do that too as well. Now for the people that is worrying about other people staring at them, I've been doing some solo trips for a minute, and personally, I don't care. A lot of times, sometimes you be thinking that they are, but really they're not. You know what I'm saying? But if you want to feel a little bit more comfortable, maybe just pick a time real early when you want to eat, or pick a later time that you want to eat up until you start feeling a little bit more comfortable. That was just a few little tips and everything, for my solo cruisers and first time solo cruisers. There it is. Have a good one.